Alright, theory fun of the day. Inharmonic notes. Okay, so when the two notes, so I got a simple way to say this. If you have a note that has two spellings, okay, for instance, C sharp is the same as D flat. You're going to have two different note names, but they all mean the same thing. That's what it means inharmonic note. So, I'm going to go through this one. Write the name of the inharmonic tone in the blank provided. Okay. Go through this rather quickly so you can see what it's about. So D flat is the same as C sharp. Number 2 is A flat is the same as G sharp. For B flat is the same as A sharp. For E flat is the same as D sharp. But there's some exceptions because these two, F flat, E natural, and E sharp is F. And the same for C flat is B, and B sharp is C. That's the only exceptions besides the black keys. So G, and this will be F sharp for number 5. And this will be, F sharp, G flat. Then you have C sharp, D flat, E flat for number 8. G sharp, A flat. Number 9, number 10, E flat. It's the same. So B flat, okay, so I'm going to draw, use A sharp. I should have put that one much, okay. This one's going to be a G flat. Sorry, I should have put this a little bit clearer. This drops them down into this. This then goes down and there's a sharp. Alright, this one, A flat, then goes up. Oh, and it's a sharp. Alright, I'm going to the bottom one, so I have A sharp and B flat with still going down, B flat, G sharp, and it still goes up, and that's an A flat on this tone, on this note. C flat is the same as, dog it, trick me up, B natural. Should know that, B natural. We don't think of it, but it's B natural. E sharp, that's the same as F. And for B flat, the same is going to be for A sharp. So that is the rule it goes. Okay. I'm going to have to do this example too. So, alright. Half step. Half step is the distance from one key to the next. Whole step is equal to 2 half steps. Okay. The trick. Half step is going upward. And sometimes it can go down too. So this is going to be F. The half step. Okay. So the trick I remembered, and back in my time, this is what I did. So starting from this point, you're going to say the half step from C sharp. Then F, I'm going to go up. That's F sharp. It says go up, you're at D sharp. Okay, this is a trick I remember this now. This is a really strong trick I remember all this stuff. The clock trick. B, the half step down is going to be B flat. E, the half step down is going to be E flat. Half step down from A is A flat. Alright. And a whole step up. Okay. Whole step, whole step. Okay. I know how this major scales are built as whole, whole. Alright. So taste F, G. And alright. Whole, whole, and half. So this is going to be another one. F and the G goes up. D to the E goes up. And F and G. Then D and E. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, I'm going to be doing some grading. Oh, boy. Find the measures of the missing beat. Add one note to complete it. Oh, jeez. This is going to be a horrid mess. I'm going to have to find lesson 23 in there to verify it. Okay, 23. So, finding the measures of them, add one note. Oh, no. 1 and 4, 1 and 2, 1? No. Okay, so the better way you can do this is to state. So that would be wrong. So, from right here, I would have done this. Put a quarter note on this part up here. So it's 1 and not 4. This is going to be 2. 3. Okay, that was right. That and was right. 3. Oh no, that would have been wrong. 8th note. And. For right there. For the next part would be, that would be kinda, but this is not missing a note. But 1, 2, okay, so I should have said 4 and. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Okay. You're missing a whole gap on the third one. So it'd be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you're going to have to put some extra notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That is wrong. Okay, no, this part is wrong. That would be 1. But this is not right. So, because I would have done it like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. So, it'd be 1. This one would have to be a half note. This one is not, it's unnecessary. So 1, 2, 3, and this is 1 beat, so this is 4. Okay. Okay. No. Not in a million years. No, that's not 2. 1, 2, 3. That's the first count up there. This The no values are right, but this is wrong. The actual no values are not right, and the whole thing's wrong. I would have done but a quarter note and half note and quarter note. 1, 2, 3 up here. Okay, not in a million years. Why would I put 4 and it don't make sense? This is supposed to be 1. This and this is supposed to be 2 and that is 3. Dude, you're missing something. I would put a quarter note and put 3. Easy. Actually, that 1 was right. But this 1 was right because 1's the downbeat. This is wrong. 2. And that one's wrong. 3. Partial, but no. It needs a note. Or 2. So I'll draw this. Okay, find the miss or find the measures of the missing beat. Add 1 rest to complete it. Okay, it says add a rest. I said no, because 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 2 is... Okay, you added an extra note there, no offense. Because 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so these 3 would have been perfectly fine. But you had to add the rest, so... Oh, okay. The direction says to add a rest. So this is going to be add a rest. Oh, egg no. So there's 1. That's not 1 over here. It's 2. This is supposed to be 3. This is supposed to be 4. And that one was right. This one wasn't. That's 2. That's 3. Oh, no. 4. So, oh no. 1. 1 was that one. So I'm gonna do, oh no. This whole thing is wrong. It's 2 and. Wait. Did it do something in that one that I need to know? Or did I draw something that made it extra? That's 3. That's 4 and. That last one is not. 1, 2, you got some rest missing, Missy. 3, 4. Actually, I could have drawn it like this. I could draw something else. So I'm going to draw half rest. In here, that's 3 and 4. Then down to the last nibby. Not in a million years. That's 1, 2, 3. That's 3 counts. And this one's going to be a quarter rest. That's 1. That's wrong. And you know it. This one is, that's supposed to be 1. That's supposed to be 2. That's supposed to be 3 and 4. That is supposed to be those counts. 1, 2, no. And no. I probably did not get a good grade on this one. Three, 4. Oh. It doesn't fill in with the rest. That is, but it counts are right, so I'll leave those alone. So 2, 3, and 4. You forgot rest. Oh, not in a million years. That is 1 count. 7th grader. This is 3 counts. So that's 1 and that's 3. And this is my own. 2, 3, 4. You didn't need this. Okay, so I'll do one more example, so it'll be very fun to do. Actually, this is going to take the longest. I'll do it tomorrow. See you then.